It's August 16th, 7:50 p.m. Here is the rear of the building. We still have no E-spout on. We've got plastic. We've got water running down onto the sill, soaking the plywood again. So looks like that's the way things are going to be going here. And up in there they've got the scaffold set up. So let's come around this side here. It's not raining extremely hard, but we come down the side here, and we got an E-spout up here. Runs down the side of the building, soaking this area here. Right now it's coming off the scaffold, but the good news is the sidewalk shows no sign of rain whatsoever. Over here the rain spout puts the water down right next to the building. That's probably where our leak is coming.